You have probably come across various detox drink adverts from social media platforms, but as a gastroenterologist, I will tell you something that is shocking. Most of these don't do any kind of detox on the liver. Don't worry, in this video, I will tell you the top 5 natural drinks that are actually of benefit to support your liver's detox function. This is backed by science. The last one, most people get surprised that it actually helps the liver. I'm Dr. Yogananda Reddy. I'm a senior gastroenterologist. Please subscribe to this educational channel for more digestive health videos. Let us clear up one big myth. Your liver is already doing a fantastic job. It doesn't require any kind of miracle juices to clean, to detox. It is your body's main detox organ. Every day it is filtering toxins from the blood, breaking down medicines what we consume, breaking down fat, even filters alcohol, turns any harmful substances into waste so that our body can safely get rid of it. But the liver can get overloaded sometimes because of various reasons, by being overweight, being obese, having excess of fat in the belly, eating processed junk foods, consuming a lot of sugar, frequently drinking alcohol, or by taking various medicines. This can make the liver function and its efficiency reduced. Most people in cities nowadays would have come across something called fatty liver. The drinks I'm going to mention here, they're not going to magically solve the liver problem, but they can help your liver to function at its best by reducing the irritation, inflammation, improve the bile flow, the bile juice, by boosting the antioxidant, the protection for the liver cells. First one, top on the list, is lemon water with a little pinch of turmeric. Lemon contains high amounts of vitamin C, which supports the liver function, liver's production of detoxifying enzymes. Curcumin, which is the active compound in turmeric, can help repair the liver damage and also reduces inflammation in the liver. So mix it in a glass of like a lukewarm water. You can squeeze half a lemon, a little pinch of turmeric. If you want, you can add a couple of mint leaves, pudina. This combination is one of the fantastic ways to wake up your liver, boost your digestion, and also it can give you a kickstart to the metabolism first thing in the morning. Second one is amla juice. Amla is like a superfood for liver, Indian gooseberry. It is absolutely packed with vitamin C, helps boost the liver function, helps the natural ability of the liver to get rid of the toxins. So having fresh amla juice in the morning keeps your liver strong and improves your overall digestion. So adding some amount of amla juice in a large glass of water, you can even put a little bit of honey if you want to make it a little bit more tasty and refreshing. The third one is green tea. A lot of people talk about it. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins. These protect the liver from fat accumulation. So this is good news for people with fatty liver disease. There are multiple studies that show people who drink 1 to 2 cups of green tea in a day, their liver enzymes, that SGOT, SGPT levels, they can come down, which means there is less irritation, less inflammation in the liver, and of course it is healthy. But try not to buy the bottled versions, which are often loaded with unwanted stuff, and they do sometimes the opposite of detoxifying because they are loaded with sugar. Drink number 4 is a powerful mix of colors. Beetroot and carrots, make it into a juice. Beetroots are rich in betaines, so they help liver in processing and flushing out the toxins. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and antioxidants that can help protect the liver tissue from what we call as oxidative stress, which is the damage to the liver cells. So one small beetroot or half a beetroot and 1 carrot juiced with water, without adding any sugar, you can drink 3 to 4 times a week. If you want a little bit of natural sugar, you can add an apple to it, so that ABC, apple, beetroot and carrot combination is also absolutely fine. Last one, which a lot of people get surprised, is coffee. Coffee is being tainted with a lot of false misinformation. Coffee is actually great for your liver. When I'm talking coffee, it is the black coffee, not the one which has got sugar or cream or full fat milk. So there are multiple scientific studies that actually show benefit of having black coffee, especially for those people with fatty liver disease, the non-alcohol related fatty liver. So having 1 to 2 cups a day can help reduce the liver inflammation. It can help your liver process fats more efficiently. If you are a coffee drinker, it's fantastic because this can also support your liver. If you do not enjoy the coffee, you don't really need to start drinking coffee for this reason. And for those people who suffer with gastric issues, acidity, I recommend not having it on an empty stomach because black coffee can sometimes be harsh on people with acidity, gastritis, reflux. So they are better off having that small cup of coffee after they have eaten some breakfast. So remember, these drinks, they do not replace healthy eating habits. If you combine these top 5 drinks, what I mentioned, along with a good diet, regular exercise, keeping alcohol intake to occasion, they can really transform your liver health. Your liver doesn't require any kind of cleansing. It can take care of itself. It can take care of your overall health as well. So try not to buy into all these detox drinks, detox shots, or anything that claims to detox the liver. Less the medicine, it's better for the liver, remember. Keep watching these videos and keep your gut and liver in a perfect shape. Please do not forget to subscribe to this educational channel from Bangalore Gastro Center Hospitals. Thank you.